everyone, Ashley from Career STEM here with our third part in the series of Best STEM Gifts for 2021. Today I'll be talking about STEM kits. STEM kits, you've probably seen a lot of different ones advertised and up for sale. They're very appealing because of their one and done type of package deal, but there are three important things that you want to look out for when you're purchasing and selecting a STEM kit. So here's my three tips. Number one, it should be immediately clear what you're going to get in the kit and what your students or kids will be doing with the kit should they get it as a gift. So oftentimes check to make sure materials are included on the box, check and make sure it's very clear what the goal is, what students will use the kit to do, and using that materials list on the box, make sure it has everything needed right out of the box. I've bought a few STEM kits over the past few years and we open it up and realize, oh, we needed a screwdriver, but it didn't come with the screwdriver, or the one I have isn't right, or things like batteries. If it is going to need something that isn't included in the kit, either purchase it separately or consider getting something else. So I really love it when everything I need, like a screwdriver or candy to get this little gumball machine in this example started, is already included. It just makes the gift so much more fun when your kids open it and right then and there have everything they need to do to use it. Number two is every gift is a great gift if it's matched to something the person you're giving it to already loves. So try to spend a little bit of extra time this holiday season to find a STEM kit that matches the interests of the person you're buying it for. So this is the Mega Cyborg Hand STEM Kit from Thames and Cosmos. If I knew one of the kids on my list was really interested in becoming a doctor or was really interested in engineering and electronics, this would be something to get them. And I really love to spend a little bit of extra time and pick gifts that I know are going to match the interests of the person I'm buying it for. It makes it so much more fun to see the excitement on their face. It also just warms your own heart knowing that you spent that little bit of extra time to find something that was really going to be beneficial and matching something you already knew about that person on a personal level. Number three is, in other words, make sure that it's the gift that keeps on giving. So a variety of hands-on options. What you don't want is a one and done type of kit. This is the Yummy Rainbow Lip Balm Kit from, again, Thames and Cosmos. Thames and Cosmos has a lot of really great kits that exemplify this third tip of having a lot of different options and flexibility. What I really don't like to see in STEM kits is a cookbook type STEM kit where it's do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, where they're taking kids through a linear sequence and helping them arrive at a predetermined outcome. To me, that's kind of the opposite of what STEM is all about. To me, STEM is all about being creative and coming up with your own stuff and trying something and seeing if it works. And this kit does that as an example, but be sure to get a kit that's going to keep on giving, that's going to allow kids to experiment and be flexible and think of things on their own to try, rather than a kit that tells them what to do every step of the way. So there you have it, my top three tips in what to look for if you're thinking of purchasing a STEM kit for this holiday season.